difficult because it makes it so.
Where's Aaron? Aaron's shoveling snow.
Fine.
Aaron, what you doing, Aaron?
I'm pushing the snow. I can't shovel it. Is that what I do? Yeah. Dad, is that what I do?
Coco? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it, Coco? Go on, find it.
There's our barking dog. 12 to 14-inch snowfall. January 18th and 19th. There goes Mimi. And she's going. And she's going. And here comes a truck. I hit Mimi. Oh, Mimi, get out of the way, Mimi. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. There's Aaron getting out of the way. And here comes. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Here goes Mimi and Aaron. There goes the truck. Let's go give it another shot. And there's the dog, barking his head off.
Yeah, I got him! Right in the foot. Curdy! I got him! Look, you little... You can't do this to me because I got lenses. Now we're both even! We're even, okay?
Oh, that's real exciting.
You missed.
Hey-o, what's your problem? Coco, what you doing, Queekie? Well, this is Old Nuthatch Drive. Everything's all snowy. And we are homebound. We can't get out. Isn't that terrible? Nobody can go to work. No one can go to school. We're just trapped. And it's such a good feeling. At least for a while, anyway. Aaron, go, Aaron. Peekaboo, Aaron.
Margie!
I see it coming. I see it coming. Careful of the camera. Don't get the lens wet. Where's my Kurt? Where did he go? Is he behind? Oh. Kurt, go down the sled. And you, where's that dog? Hey, quiet.
Look out.
Nice looking,
Look out.
Kurt.
Look out.
Aaron's after me. I can't find him.
Go flying! Come on, move your hands out first. You wussy! You can't go flying! It loves me, I'm the master!
I'm trying to find him. Boy, Kurt, you're really doing a fine job. You better join the Olympic team. Look like a duck out of water.
Ah!
Yeah, that was great. Here comes Aaron.
That sucked! Get him, Dad!
Get out of the way. There's a car coming.
Oh, this is okay. Don't do that.
What did he do?
Crack.
Lincoln Luxury Automobiles. Lincoln, what a luxury car should be.